Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Callie with Glazed Epoxy. I have not been on this channel in so long. It feels like forever since I filmed in front of a camera for this channel. I'm very active over on TikTok, so if you guys aren't following me there, you should. It's just Glazed Epoxy there as well. But a lot has changed. A lot has changed. I'm in a new studio room. We just built this out. It's not quite finished yet, but it's getting there. But I am filming again. I'm filming tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, because I definitely want to film what you guys want. Like, let me know, is there certain things you want? Is there certain techniques? Is there certain things other than cups? Is it all just cups? Like, let me know what your thoughts are. And I'm just so excited to be filming here again. And what else? So today's video is going to be using a printed vinyl, one of our beautiful pink geode vinyls. This is one of over 900 that we have. We have 900 designs that you can buy either as a printed vinyl or a digital download. And today we are going to use that on the cup and then add things to it to give it more depth and dimension. I think it turned out so beautiful. It just looks like, it doesn't look like just a printed vinyl. It looks like there's a lot going on. It looks like there was a lot of effort put into it, and we have a ton of geode marble kind of styles that you could do this exact same technique with. So make sure you guys check out all of our vinyls. Everything I use will be linked in the bottom for you guys, and pretty much everything I'm using is from Artistry Epoxy. So that's really exciting. So let's get started on the tutorial. Hey guys, so we are starting off with a 20-ounce skinny straight tumbler. You want to make sure that it is a straight tumbler, not tapered at all, or your vinyl will not lay nicely around the cup. So we're just going to remove the lid and the little bottom plastic. Then I prepped it with Mattify. Then we're taking this gorgeous pink marble vinyl. We have over 900 designs. A lot of them are marble and stone and alcohol inks. So I'm just cutting this to the shape of my cup. You want to leave a little space at the top and bottom so that it just wraps nicely and you don't have any puckering at the bottom and you don't have to worry about cutting it after. So just checking, making sure it looks great. Then I'm taking the ultimate tool from the Cami Page Boutique. I will have this listed below. It's been so handy for me to use and just all the different things that it does, but you get a nice straight line. Then we're going to take our vinyl, and I have discovered the Windex trick. If you guys have not tried Windex when putting vinyl on, I'm telling you, just do it. It made this so much easier. So I took and cut off part of my vinyl. I'm just going to spray Windex all over the cup. You do want to do a pretty good amount. I did a little less than I should have here, but you get the point. But it just allows you to slide and move around your vinyl. It doesn't stick so much to where you have to pull it up and then the vinyl stretches and then it's kind of a lost cause at that point. So you're gonna set your vinyl down. Just a normal vinyl full wrap application. Just keep spreading it out as you're peeling the back off, so you get as little bubbles as possible. I feel like every time I do it, I end up with some little bubbles, but you just smooth them out and use a needle tool to pop those little bubbles. So you're just gonna wipe it down and smooth out any Windex remaining under there. Then you just let it dry. Then we're going in with some Color Fix Autumn Rose paint for the bottom. And this is one of our deluxe large brushes. And if you want, you could tape off the vinyl to get a perfect clean line easier. I just prefer just going in with the brush edge. Whatever you want to do here is up to you. But I definitely recommend finishing off the bottom. That way it's not just the plain stainless steel, it has a more finished look. Then we're going with pure white in small to coat the bottom in glitter. This glitter is very translucent, so it just will add a sparkle on top of that pink. You can still see the pink autumn rose color under there. It's so pretty. So then I just sealed that glitter with some clear matte spray paint. Then going in with the Artistry Tumbler and Art Epoxy. This is just the regular formula. It's my absolute favorite. So just doing my first layer. You guys know the drill, just cover the whole cup. Make sure you get it nice and even.
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change.
Don't forget about the bottom.
It's been ages, but it kind of feels the same.
So then once that was cured, I did another layer. This is the fast set, and I was working with other cups and I kind of waited too long. So it's a little thick, but I used some Color Crush drops in white. And then this is filter glitter. It's just gonna add an all over sparkle. So we're spreading the epoxy on with the filter in it. I find doing this adds so much depth to this and gives it a more realistic look. So we're just taking a mix stick with the white epoxy and just kind of striping it on, going along with the veins that are already on there. And what this does is it adds layers to your epoxy so that when you look at it, it's not just a flat picture underneath your clear epoxy. There's actually depth and there's different colors and different layers going on. You could do this effect with more of like a Milky Way look, and I actually want to do that next time to kind of give it more of a cloudiness on top and then maybe some sparkles peeking through, like if you did some accents in filter. But there's tons of ways to do this and tons of different colors, but you guys can take a flat image of stone and turn it into what looks like a cup made out of stone. So you can see there, it just has so much more going on, and I just love how it turned out. So after that, I did 2 more layers of the regular epoxy to finish off the cup. And this is how it turned out. So pretty. I love it so much. I want to do a bunch of different colors and versions of this. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.